Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming account access and subscription status so you don't chase a phantom problem. Once signed in, check NAT type. Open is ideal because it lets Forza match you reliably. Next, power cycle network gear, modem, router, then console or PC, waiting 30 seconds between each. While devices reboot, sign out of other background apps that use bandwidth. This quick sequence resolves many session failures and prepares you for the deeper troubleshooting steps that follow. Once devices are back online, assign a static IP or reserve your console/PC in the router to keep port forwarding stable. Then forward the core Forza ports, 3074, 53, 80, 500, 4500, on the static address so peer connections succeed. Make sure UPnP is enabled if you prefer automatic handling. Next, repair the game, clear its cache or uninstall recent updates that might be corrupted, then verify files, finish by performing a clean test. Reboot everything, wait 1 minute to warm up the network, then launch Forza and attempt matchmaking. If you still can't join, isolate the problem quickly by tethering a phone hotspot. If the game works there, the issue is your ISP or router settings. Make sure to capture timings and error messages. If hotspot fails too, reinstall Forza and check account region settings. Only contact your ISP or Microsoft after these isolation steps, so you give precise evidence to support faster resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.